Hello everyone, today we're diving into the luscious world of the HIMI Acrylic Twin Jelly Cup set. So let's unbox, swatch and paint our way through this beauty. This 48 color set is vibrant, creamy and ready to inspire. Plus you get a bonus Acrylic Moisturizing Spray, perfect for reactivating paint or thinning it as you work. Now let's swatch these gorgeous shades. You'll find a spectrum of 48 colors, a spectrum that truly has it all. Soft airy pastels like blush pinks, baby blues and gentle lavenders sit alongside rich dramatic jewel tones, emerald greens, sapphire blues and royal purples. There's a gorgeous range of warm earthy shades from sandy tans and golden ochre to deep umbers and rustic siennas, all perfect for adding natural warmth. The vibrant high-energy tones include blazing sunset oranges, fiery reds, and sunny yellows that instantly brighten any piece. For nature-inspired palettes, you'll find fresh spring greens through to deep forest hues, while the blues flow from bright tropical seas to dark, inky night skies. Purples range from soft lilac to deep violet, and versatile neutrals like greys, whites, and true blacks are here to help with mixing, shading, and contrast. The paints themselves have a creamy, buttery consistency, smooth to work with, highly pigmented, and beautifully opaque. Use them straight from the cup for bold, solid coverage or dilute with water for softer washes and transparent layers. With this palette, you can create bold statement pieces, delicate gradients, layered landscapes, or even fine details, all from one set. It's more than a swatch, it's a color playground waiting for your ideas. So now you're taking a look at the swatch of all the colors. Now it's time to put these paints to the test. For today's mini artwork, I'm painting a night sky scene with pine trees and a glowing moon. I began with cool, calming shades at the top, letting them melt seamlessly into softer mid-tones. Each stroke flowed into the next, creating a smooth gradient with no harsh edges. I worked the colors back and forth until they felt perfectly balanced, the tones merging naturally like shifting light in the sky. A gentle touch of lighter hues towards the center added a beautiful glowing effect that made the transition feel even more real. Then I added fine details, tiny specks and streaks of bright tones that stood out brilliantly even over darker areas. In the foreground, I layered deep, shadowy tones to create striking silhouettes that framed the scene. Throughout the process, I kept the paints moist and workable with the spray bottle, which made blending smooth and effortless. The result was seamless transitions, rich layers, and vibrant hues that brought the painting to life. And that's a wrap on today's art session. From first impressions to final brushstrokes, I'm beyond impressed with the HIMI Acrylic Jelly Cup set. This set has your back whether you're painting bold abstracts or dreamy skies. You can grab yours now from our website, and don't forget to tag us in your creations. We love seeing what you make.